Hi guys, welcome back to Jeannie Cooks. Today I am going to be making this golden crispy patties. To be clear, my husband will be making his golden crispy patties. Hi guys, m kontan gen nou avèm jodi an. Mari mwen pral fè bon ti pâté doré ke li kon fè ki très croustillant. Nou rele sa pâte kòde. Pour fè pâté an, li bete tout ingrédients sa yo. Nou gen œuf bouilli, nou gen hot dog ki gen tan raché, nou gen aranso. Sa, c'est under pâté. We have the filling. It's gonna be hard-boiled eggs. We have smoked herring and hot dogs that were diced. And the other ingredients we're gonna need are flour, chicken bouillon, and some dry seasoning. Nap utilize farine, poudre Maggi, and we're gonna make that mixture for the dough. We're gonna mix this whole thing together. He's going to be taking care of that dough. Look at him, he's so strong. Alors c'est là, Marie m'a rale pâté an, la pou vel pou l'ka fè gros. Men gros se fè pâté yo ti moun, nou gen pou nou e. He's cutting the eggs into pieces. We are cutting the eggs and then put some herring, and then he's gonna be placing some hot dogs. Yon pâte kòde ki très simple, qui très délicieux et qui très croustillant. Après le film mette aranso, il mette ketchup. Bien arrosé pâté qui fait les très juicy. This patty is going to be very juicy and it's going to have a little sweet and tangy taste. Now we're closing it up, and this is gonna be my favorite part. Ça c'est parti préféré m kote li couper ti morceau sa yo vin ta kou mimouse et ça fait le pi sec toujours. This part makes it very crispy. It's like little snacks. And then we put that in our oil. To let the oil get inside the patties, we are spiking the patties with this fork. Na piqué pâté a pou l'huile nan ka bien frit tout bagay yo pou bay la ka bien sec. We are going to turn, flipping it over. We are flipping our patty. And continue to spike until both sides have enough spikes, and then transfer. And that's the patty. Look at that baby. Look at that. Alors ça c'est tout pâté à la fin. Marie t'ai fait pour journée. Nous t'ai bien passé. Pâté au thé très délicieux. While I'm talking about those patties, it's just making me think about getting some more. It's just making me think of eating them again. That was my husband's golden crispy patties. Ça, c'était les pâtés dorés et croustillants de mon mari. Ma pointe la prochaine.